The following portion of Daytime Blue Ridge is sponsored by
It is Wealth Wednesday, so we are getting another true-false quiz all about tax-free retirement.
That's right. Joining us now to share his knowledge is Brian Bowen, president of Integrity Financial Planning and the host of Retire with Integrity radio show on WFIR 107.3 FM, 960 AM on every Saturday at 10 a.m. Welcome.
Thanks for having me.
Absolutely. I think this is something that everybody wants, a tax-free retirement.
Yes.
Yeah.
For sure.
Yes.
So tell us how we can do that.
In 3 minutes, absolutely. Not a problem.
No problem.
Well, we're going to ask you questions and I'll try to explain.
Okay.
Okay. So, and some of this is about, giving to your kids, your grandkids, and not incurring taxes, right?
Okay.
So for them.
Okay.
So a lot of it's not just for your benefit, but because you're going to have to pay taxes. So, 529 college savings plan is the best way to help my children, grandchildren pay for college.
True.
False.
Good job.
Thank you.
It's not really the best way. A 529 savings plan, what we have found, sometimes can be taxable because sometimes you're using it, you're paying too much out of it to pay for college. It's a little confusing. There's certain things that you can only use it for, and it doesn't really show up there that it's taxable until you do your return, right? And so 529s can count against the children when they go to college. Also, doesn't show up in your tax return, but it hurts them because it counts as an asset.
Okay.
Right? The more money you have, the more
Sure.
income you have. Remember
Okay.
filling out the FAFSA
Yeah,
years ago?
right.
Absolutely.
So, the 529 may look like it has a lot of benefits. You just have to weigh all the costs. And everything.
Okay.
There's better ways to do it.
Okay.
Sometimes. So I was just looking at that. The other question is if I give more than $14,000 per year to your children and grandchildren, it's taxable to me.
True.
True.
No, it's false.
Well, that's
So a
not it.
lot of people come to us and say, "Oh, I can't gift more than my kids." They're getting up in years, and they want to gift some of the children or grandchildren for college, or they just want to see them enjoy it while they're alive, right? And so they think, well, if I do more than 14,000, it's going to count against me, or it's going to be taxed to me, and it's not true. There is a lifetime exemption right now, 5.4 million. That's a big number that you can
Sure.
gift away.
Yeah.
Right.
So if that, it just starts counting towards that number is all it is, right?
Okay.
And most people are way under that number,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
The average
Most
person.
people.
Yes, and so you just have to weigh that and understand the rules. And so there's gift splitting. Even if you are over that, there's things you can do with trust planning and gift splitting. So,
Okay.
yeah, that's good to know. So when my spouse and I pass away, my 401k IRA is taxable to my children. Or my heirs, I guess it would be. right?
True.
Yeah, it is taxable to the next generation, right? We talked about that before, so that's why you know that.
Right.
You are learning.
Sure, we are.
Look at this, is good. So yes, it is taxable. Now it depends if they take out the whole thing at one time, right? They buy the beach house, or they want to pay off the college debt, right? All of a sudden you inherit $1 million, and it's going to be a little bit taxed at maybe 30 or 40%.
Right.
You're like, they'll pay the tax.
Yeah.
But your parents worked for it their entire lives, 40, 50 years of their life to save this money, and you're going to give $300,000, $400,000 right away. So there's tax-free retirement planning you can do now to
prepare for that.
To prepare for that, to convert it from tax deferred to tax-free, and a lot of strategies. We can't go into all the different areas.
Right.
So we have only people that have this problem if you have $500,000 in a qualified retirement plan.
Yeah.
Okay, that's at a 401k, IRA, anything, a 403b, there's all those initials, retirement plan, then we can do a tax-free retirement plan. It's the first 5 callers, and so we can show you how to set up a strategy to do that.
All right. So we'll go ahead and pop up your information. First 5 callers.
Right,
can get
first
that
5
free
callers,
service.
yep.
Okay, 540-266-3100. So give Brian a call right now, 266-3100. We appreciate it. Thank you so
Yeah.
much.
Thank you.